What's up, guys and gals? My THD fam, how you all doing here today? What a week. Wow. Gamestop. What else? What else do we have about? This is a short squeeze for the book. This is a short squeeze for the books. It's going to be one that is going to be talked about for a while, where, Wall Street really bet against the company and they were able to make fundamental changes that have just absolutely squeezed the ever-living hell out of everyone. It is the most shorted stock on the New York Stock Exchange. Was the most shorted stock. Man, are those shorts hurting today. And that is where I made the bulk of my money today in GameStop. GME. Added a little bit of profits LA. I added a little bit of profits on LA. Had a nice trade on POLA as well. I got a really nice morning, guys. In the afternoon, I tried to add a little bit to the day. I did reduce my risk. I reduced my size. I told everybody that in chat that I was going to be reducing risk going into the afternoon if I was going to keep on trading like GameStop. GameStop got really crazy, got extremely volatile once the short squeeze was on. And it just became an extremely high-risk environment. So I reduced my size and my risk later in the afternoon to see if I can add to it. But tried GameStop once in the afternoon. Didn't work out. Took a little loss on that. And I just decided, let's shut things down. And let's just protect those profits from the morning because the morning was huge. The morning was huge. I caught GameStop twice in the morning. One off of a textbook THD triangle setup. I'm going to talk to you guys about that. It was an absolute textbook THD triangle setup. I'll break that down for you guys. And then we have POLA. We're going to get into all those trades here from the day. Man, it's like, does anybody else feel like drained from this week because there was so much action this week? Oh my God, it's been crazy. How many of my THD fam, how many of you killed it this week? How many of you guys killed it this week? Sound off in chat if you killed it this week. My TTG fam, I want to know. Sound off in chat, guys. There we go. Look at that. Look at everybody. Look at all the comments. I love it. Third green week in a row for my boy Sean. Absolutely awesome. Joel is up $20,000 this week. Deza V's up 1,000. Chef Daddy's his birthday is coming up. Chef Daddy's birthday is coming up. Way to go, Zane. Broke the PDT rule. Samir's up $5,000. Trent's up $4,000. Andrew Castelli's got a 5-figure week. Republic of David is up. Hell yes. Jessica's up $3,000 this week. Bruce, $400. All is well, Ed. Pulled 440. Jade's got $5K. Sean Testa's got a $7,000 week. It was amazing for Allie. Ruben's got $5K. Woo! Angel Rain with a $42,000 week. Jimmy Burles plans on joining the TGD family very soon. Jimmy, I'm waiting for you, man. Timmy Harrison up $20K. Yes. Sarab up a few $1,000. Russell, $26K in January. Nick's up $1,500. Craig Talkett is new. Craig Talkett Jr. Craig, welcome. $1,896 for Angel just today alone. My boy Aloha is up $5K. Breathe Easy, $22,000 this year. Jimmy Benchon's up $25K this week. Off to the golf course. Yes, I'm jealous. It's too cold where I am to golf. It's too cold. Jimmy at $2,500 just this morning. Michael, $1,400. I love it. Lance is on fire as always. Luciano, $400. Anson, $4,300 week. Yes. Chronic Master Traders just joined the TG fam. Welcome. Jay Eric's up $18K this year already. Wendy just joined last night. Welcome to look at this. Christina Chong, $20K. Patrick's up $6,000 today. Breathe Easy's up 112K since August. Yes. Yo, Drew Lawson, if honestly, bro, if you give me an autographed Mickey Mantle baseball, I don't even know. I will be so insanely thankful. You have no idea. You have no idea how grateful I will be if you give me a Mickey Mantle signed baseball. Oh, I will be. I don't even know where to begin. Lenore, third four-figure week. You have more than one, Drew? That's crazy. Dude, that'd be awesome. I appreciate that, man, so much. I have no idea. I'm a huge baseball fan, for those that don't know me. Yeah. Yeah, no, Hank Aaron. That's sad today, guys. That's sad today. Daniel, $4,900 today. Peter just joined, already paid for his subscription today. Peter, welcome to the family. Yeah, Hank Aaron, a true legend. A true legend was lost today, guys. A true legend. If you guys want to say, how can we send Mike gifts? If you guys want to send me gifts, just you can send it to the office. Talk to Adam. He'll give you guys the address. 1,500 bucks, nice. Yeah, just read P&Ls all day. I'm with it. The true home run king. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't need any gifts from you guys. I don't need any gifts, guys. The real gift is just seeing you guys win. Nancy, way to go. 5,300 bucks. Awesome. On BNGO. Nicely done. Yeah, I had a good day today, BNGO. BNGO had a nice day today. Yes, Ethan Poe. I was hitting home runs for Hank today. Dennis paid his mortgage. Dennis M. paid my mortgage this week. Thank you. Way to go. KD trading 1,500 3 days this week. 1,200 for La Cantera. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. Yes, Judy made enough money this week to pay her bills for February. Yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Queen Bull. What? Queen Bull? Are you kidding me? Guys, Queen Bull, she was just my guest on the live stream just 2 nights ago. $10,000 day. Oh my God, Queen Bull. Yes. $10,000 day. That is awesome. You guys remember Queen Bull? She was my guest live stream just a couple days ago. Oh my God. Hell yes. Risky trade had caught 1,300% gain on those GME options. So sick. Fay Ball, best investment ever made of myself, $6,000 week. Oh my God. All right, guys, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I love seeing all of your comments. I love seeing all of the success that you guys are having. My goodness, it really gets me super excited. It really does. But we've got some stuff to talk about, right? Kabir just joined the family. Kabir, welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Yeah, I know. Yeah, be like Dave Portnoy. So guys, let's get to it. Right? Let's get to it. Let's jump right into the breakdown of the week and the day, and let's talk about my trades. I want to go over my trades here today with you guys. Let me pull up my account. So I've got all my alert, my timestamps. All right, guys, let's dive right in. Let's talk about this. All right, let's get to the charts. All right, very first trade today, guys, was Pola. We started things off with a Pola trade here today. And what I want to go over with you guys with this Pola is a really, really, really good volume lesson. A really, really good volume lesson. Pola was, I made all my money yesterday in Pola. Pola was my big win yesterday. I caught that move in Pola yesterday. Okay. So there was like an hour. My trade yesterday was like an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Yesterday I caught that move. That's where I made all my money in Pola yesterday. And then today I come right back and I catch this move in Pola to start the day. Okay. And what I want to go over with you guys here on this Pola trade is a volume lesson. So when you have a situation where you get a stock has a really busy day, like a really, really strong breakout day, like yesterday for Pola was a breakout day. Okay. Yesterday was a breakout day for Pola. Okay. When you have something like that, where you have this big breakout day, it's a big high volume day for the stock, which Pola was. And the very next day you get a gap up, but the stock is still below the prior day's high. Watch the volume that comes in. Okay. The volume that comes in on push to test the prior day's highs will tell you how much momentum that stock has. So what I want to show you guys here real quick is if you notice the volume that came in on Pola right off the opening bell, do you see how it's heavier than any volume that stock experienced the day before? So you see how you have one volume bar yesterday that was heavier than the volume that came in here this morning. But look at the consistency of those first three opening volume bars. You don't see anything like that at all yesterday. You see nothing like that. You see no type of volume similar to the volume you saw off that opening bell. When you have, and again, but very important, if a stock has a breakout day, which would be yesterday, and the next day, meaning today, you get a gap up, but you're still below the prior day's high. If the volume that comes in on the push towards that prior high is heavier than the volume at any point during the day yesterday when the stock had the breakout day, don't forget, if yesterday was a breakout day, that means it traded well more than average volume, right? The volume was huge. It was a high volume day. So if you open up the very next day and you push right to that high and the volume is already stronger than what you've seen in the previous day when you had that breakout day, that is a sign that the stock still has momentum. So the volume that came in there on that POLA going right into that prior day high told me the stock still had momentum and still had juice. So after I saw that quick pop and I saw that volume, I came in and I got long Pola right there. Okay, it's my very first trade at 9:35 a.m. I'm long at $18.02. Okay, $18. I will actually remember this because the offer was $17.90, and I market ordered in, and I didn't get my fill until 18:02. That's how actually thin the stock was when I was getting myself in there. But that volume that you see come in going into that prior day's high is what told me the stock still had momentum. Okay. That's what told me the stock still had momentum. So this is a very good lesson that has to do with volume and using volume to tell and identify when a stock still has momentum. So again, I'll tell you again, when a stock has a breakout day, which is what Pola had yesterday, and then you get a gap up the day after, but still below the prior day's high, and you push right to the prior day's high. Okay. And when you push right to the prior day's high, that's a sign of momentum. If the volume is heavier than the volume that you experienced at any point during the day yesterday. Okay? So there you have it. And then we just ripped. We just ripped. And I just start peeling profits off. Guys, I start peeling profits off into this move. Right? I just start ripping profits off into this move. Might take profits on this. I'll just give them to you guys so you guys can see. My first take, so I'm long at 18.02. My first take profit was 19.01, so $1 a share on the first take. Then, let me see, and then I took more profit off at $20.73, and I got down to, I was holding 19.45, and then another take profit at 20.73, so 20.73 is right there. So here we go. So here's your take profits. It's more like, there we go. Okay, so there's your take profits. First, second, third, and then I got flat, I believe. I got flat right here. Okay, so there's my polar trade. There's the entry, first take, second take, final take profit. Solid day, solid gains. All right. All right, guys. So that's POLA. Does anybody have any question? Does anybody have any questions about this particular trade and the lesson in particular that I'm referring to? Okay, with regards to this trade, does anybody have any questions about that volume lesson? No, I was not concerned with resistance at prior day's high. Listen, you guys have to understand. Okay, you guys have to understand that that's the whole point. It's the volume. That's the whole point of the lesson that I'm going over with you is when you see that kind of volume that where it's heavier than the volume that came in on the prior day. Don't forget the prior day was a breakout day. So the volume is going to be heavier on that breakout day. So when you come into the morning the next day and you get a real high volume push back to the prior day's high, but that volume is even heavier than it was yesterday. Well, yesterday was a breakout day and the volume was really heavy. So when you come into the morning and you get this quick push to the prior day's high and the volume's even heavier, that's a sign that the stock still has momentum. And when I saw that in POLA today, that's how I said, like, guys, this stock's got more room. We're going to push up into the 20s. That's exactly what I said in chat. Jumped in there at 18, took profits off there around 21. Was a great, beautiful way to start the day. Was a great, beautiful way to start the day. No, I did not buy in tiers. I went full size. Guys, most of my trades, I go in full size, most of my trades. Okay. If I enter tier 1 first, which is 25% of your desired size. So if you wanted to buy 1,000 shares, tier 1 for you would be 250. Okay. If I do buy tier 1, I will let you guys know specifically by just saying tier 1, like on my trade alert, it'll actually say tier 1. If it doesn't say tier 1, if it just says long 1802, that's full size. If it's tier 1, it'll say long tier 1 POLA 1802. Okay. So that's that one, guys. All right. So that was the first trade of the day. Now let's go back to the charts. I keep seeing people asking me about, like, you weren't worried about resistance at the prior day's high. You guys are missing. This is the whole point. This is the whole point. Okay. This is the whole point of this lesson with volume. This is what I'm getting at to you. This is how you can know that it's safe to get long and think we're going to break through the prior day's high. That's what I'm saying to you guys. Okay. So it was that volume, the volume lesson that we just talked about. Okay. And I mean, look how much more momentum this thing had. Are you kidding me? I actually went after this thing one more time up in here, thinking that we were going to squeeze, like going into the close. And then we had this little pullback. So go in the afternoon, I reduced my risk. And since I'm on this stock, I'll just talk to you guys about the trade I made late in the day. So I reduced my size late in the day just to see if I can add to my day. And once I saw this break through that high, we had an increase in volume, and I was like, wow, I was like, this thing's going to keep going. I thought this thing was just going to start to squeeze again. So I actually got long up here. I'll give you guys my exact 24.36. So 24.36. Yes, Chris. Yes, Chris, my man. Yes, Chris, $900 gains this week has him $4,000 away from PDT rule. Yes, we'll get there, Chris. You'll get there, brother, before you know it. We'll get there before you know it, my man. We'll get there before you know it. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, so let's go back to the charts. All right, so this Polar trade, okay. So this was the second time that I traded Polis. Like I said, later in the day, I reduced my position size just to see if I was able to add to it. Once we broke through that high, I got long on top of that high as well to see if we were going to start to squeeze into the close. And then once we pulled ourselves back in, I just exited right here. Okay. So the entry was 24.36 and I stopped out at 22.83. Okay. So this was a little losing trade there late in the day on POLA, but it was, like I said, I was protecting. I was in defensive mode. This is actually, you know what? This is actually a good lesson for me to discuss with you. I wasn't even planning on talking about this, but I will since it just came to my mind. If you're a trader that struggles, and I just had a one-on-one with a member just yesterday who struggles with this exact thing, and that's what made me just think about it. If you struggle with being green in the morning and then like you give back a lot of your profits later in the day, like you start green and finish red, if that happens to you often, here's two different things that I want you guys to do for yourself. What I want you guys to do, if that's you and if this happens to you a lot, I want you to, whatever's a good morning for you. You know, if $100 is a good morning, if $1,000 is a good morning, if $10,000 is a good morning, whatever's a good morning for you, whatever that number is, set a hard 50% stop on your P&L for the rest of the day. So let's say if $1,000, if that's a good day for you, if you're like, wow, this is a great day, I made $1,000. Okay. If you're going to keep trading in the afternoon, set a hard 50% stop so that if you go down to maybe now you're only up 500, that's it. You've got to shut down your computer. Okay. You've got to shut down your computer. Just walk away. Just forget it. Shut down your brokerage account. Be done. Call it. It's over. Okay. That way you'll make sure that you at least walk away from the day, at least up $500. And if $1,000 is a good day for you, I'm sure you'll be, you'll be just as pleased with $500. Okay. So that's a good little rule of thumb to just help protect yourself so you don't start to like over trade and give back all your profits. The other thing that I want you to try doing is if you have a good morning, again, whatever's a good morning for you, let's just use $1,000 as the example because it's easy math. If you're up $1,000 and you're like, okay, I'm going to keep trading, reduce your risk. Let's say your normal risk is $200 per trade. If that's your normal risk, okay, if you risk $200 per trade and you want to keep trading later in the day, reduce that risk so that you're only risking maybe $100 to $150, something like that. Okay. This way, if you make another trade, if you make another trade and you take a loss or another loss, it's smaller losses than the profits that you made in the morning. So you're in a way, you're playing defense. You're going to protect those profits in the morning and make sure that you don't give them back. And you're willing to maybe give back maybe $200, $300 of the $1,000 that you've made to see if you can extend that, but at least you're not going to give back the $1,000. So these are just two little helpful tips for those of you. If that's one of you that struggles with starting green and finishing red, those are two helpful tips you guys to implement in your trading. All right. Now let's get to GameStop. All right, let's get to GameStop now, which was obviously the fun one. Right, this was the fun one. And here we go. All right, here, guys, GameStop. Beautiful TTG triangle setup. Initial morning high, we broke through it, increasing volume, decreasing volume on the pullback, descending trend line, trade line VWAP, come up, hold support right at that prior day's high, picture perfect TTG triangle setup, and then you get increasing volume on the break out of the triangle. I got long GameStop right inside of this triangle, super early in the day. I am long. Let's see, timestamp. 9:49 a.m. at 44:38. 44:38 at 9:49 a.m. Okay. Inside the triangle. And then we get this break out of the triangle and we get this nice extension move. And I take some profits off at the high of the day like I always do. And then I took some more profits off actually on this high. Take profits on this. I traded this thing multiple times today, guys. So it took profit at 45.52. So $1 a share on the first take. Then I took more profit at 46.08, $1.50 a share on that second take. And then I took my last and final piece of profit off right there. And that was my first trade on GME. So not a home run trade, but still a nice profit. $1.50 a share, had a few thousand shares. So I was able to pull off a nice little gain here on GME on my very first trade. But this was a picture perfect TTG triangle pattern that you guys see here with that initial morning high, the break through it. The initial morning high then starts to act as support along with your trade line and VWAP. You get decreasing volume on that pullback, and then that's your buying zone. And then you get that beautiful move, that extension move, pull profits off the table into that move. Okay. So that's the first trade on GME. Now let me go over the second one. The second one's where I made the big money. All right. So the second one's where I made the big money. Now here we go back. We'll go back to GME. And what you now have here on GME is what looks like this is a double top. This is a double top resistance at the high of the day, right? Double top resistance at the high of the day. Okay. But then what happens here is GME holds together and actually forms a nice little wedge pattern. Okay. So, oops, wrong indicator. Starts to form a nice little wedge pattern here. Okay. You see how we then start to form this little wedge pattern? What? Yeah, it's my dog, guys. My dog was barking. That's my dog. So there we have that little wedge pattern, but then we break through the high of the day. Now let's zoom in here. Let's focus on this. Okay. What do you guys see? What happened when the stock broke through the high of the day? Strong increase in volume. Look at that volume increase, right? Let me make the volume bigger. Look at that volume increase when we broke through the high of the day. Okay. See that? Strong volume as we broke through the high of the day. So now I say to myself, guys, this stock can really squeeze, because now here we are on the daily chart. All right. If we go to the daily chart, you see this little resistance level here around 45. Okay. I'll go to the 15-minute chart just so you guys can see it a little bit more clearly. You see this resistance here around 44, 45. Well, now we're through that. Now we're through that, and you don't really have a lot of resistance on the daily chart. This is the point where I said to everybody in chat, my TTG members, sound off in chat, when I was like, guys, this thing could really squeeze today. You know, this is when I was like, guys, this thing could really go. Right? My TTG fam, sound off in chat so everybody knows that this is how it went down today in chat. And on that break, now what do we know when a stock breaks through the high of the day with a strong increase in volume? Okay. When you get a real strong increase in volume through that high, the higher the volume, the greater the chance that previous high becomes support, right? So what happens? Let me go back. Let's delete this. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see more clearly. So here's our break through the high. You'll see we get this real nice increase in volume, right? Real nice increase in volume. And then look at this little pullback candle. Can you guys look at the volume on that pullback candle? Is that not pathetic or what? Look at the volume on that pullback candle. That is your sign it's time to get long. That's your sign it's time to get long. Okay? And right there in front of that prior high is exactly where I did just that. Okay? Right here, guys, I jumped in GameStop at 46.98. Okay? 46.98 is my entry here on GameStop, and the rest is history. Okay? The rest is history. Okay? Now, I did not catch the move all the way to 73 or whatever it went to, 75. I didn't hold on all the way to 75. I caught this entire move. Okay, I caught this entire move on GameStop. So there's the entry, and we just start taking profits off the table. Let's see. I'll give you guys my take profits. Let's see. Okay. First take profit, 47.85, 48.35, 50.61. Final take profit, 53.88, right there. Okay, there's your final take profit on GameStop. And you guys can see this was one hell of a move. One hell of a move. And then, of course, the short squeeze even continued even further all the way up to 76. And now we're still actually trading after hours slightly higher to 67. Every trader on planet Earth had eyes on GameStop today. Every trader on planet Earth had eyes on GameStop today. Okay. This was my big money maker. This is where I made the most of my money today, was on this GameStop trade. Does anybody have any questions specifically about that GameStop trade and setup before I move on? Mike, how did you know it would shoot up at that one point? Was it just a gap? Oh, I know you're talking about Mateo. Mateo, you're talking about when I said, I go, guys, I'm looking for us to like extend, right? And I was like, I'm looking for us to extend, like once we get through that level. It was right here. It was right here, because right in here is what, Mateo, you're talking about, right? Because in here, I was saying to everybody, I go, guys, there's a lot of resistance up there around 48. Okay, there's a resistance up there around 48. And if I go out to let's go to the weekly chart, just so you guys can see, and look back to the left, see this resistance right here from 2015? That's a lot of resistance. Okay. It's a lot of resistance there from 2015. So when we were there, when we got to that price level, I was like, guys, look how choppy the stock is. You see how it's like up, down, up, down, up, down. You see how you're not getting like a clear directional move. You see how the stock is very choppy, like green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Green. You see how it's like up and down, up and down, up and down. That's why I said, go, guys, if we can clear through 48, I think that's when the stock will open up. And open up, boy, did it ever. Now, I just did not think it was going to open up this much. I mean, this is nuts. This move is nuts. That move is absolutely insane. Okay, absolutely insane. How many of you guys caught this GME with me today? My TT fam, you guys catch this move with me today or what? Or POLA? How many of you guys caught POLA or GME with me today? Nice. Miss M, Alicia, Jason Stone, John Giraldi, Lance, TTG Big T. Oh, yes. Look at it. Look at all the comments. Yes. Yes. Hell yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look how many you nailed it. I love it. Sick. Wow. Paid my membership today with POLA alone. Way to go, Mike Sullivan. Nice, man. Nice. Nice. Stefan Arbor, 700% on those GME calls. Can I share my thoughts on CCIV? I will actually in just a second. Steven caught APWC. Nice. Yeah, I know. GameStop is starting to climb a little higher right now as we're talking. Awesome. Still in Jimmy, top profit at 73. Question Mike. Way to go, Joel. Way to go, man. Way to go. Way to go. Yes. Green Streak continues now, at least third week in a row with four-figure profits. Way to go, Mateo. Proud of you, man. Way to go. Awesome. I love it, guys. I love seeing so many of you capitalize on these moves. Yeah, BNGO, Fubo was another one, CCIV. I mean, just awesome. Absolutely awesome. I love it. I love it. You guys are the best. Congrats, everybody. Congrats. All right, so let's get back. Let me take a quick look at the GameStop. Back to 68. We're back to $68, guys, on GameStop now. That's looking pretty good. That is looking pretty good. So we'll keep eyes on that, right? We'll keep eyes on that. All right. We'll keep eyes on that. All right. Yeah, definitely on watch for Monday. The short squeeze could still go. The short squeeze may not be finished yet. The short squeeze could have more room to the upside. We'll have to wait and see what happens on Monday. But it's definitely possible it can keep going. Okay, definitely possible it can keep going. All right. Yes, Mo, yes, the live stream, it loads up onto the YouTube channel once we are finished. All right. So awesome, guys. Congratulations, everyone that capitalized. Congratulations, everyone that caught GME and caught POLA. What I want to do now, actually, so now that we're done with the trade recaps, and I'm really happy to see so many of you. I'm really happy to see so many of you capitalize on that. Yes, I'm still in WWR, guys. I'm still in WWR. Right, I'm still in WWR. Nothing's changed. A nice little inside day today. All right, nice little inside consolidation day today. Nothing has changed. I'm still long WWR, and I'm looking for the stock to next week. I'm looking for the stock to do that. Okay. Looking for the stock to do that next week. And my target's going to be $9. Right. My target's going to be $9. So I'm still long WWR. I see a bunch of people are asking me about that. I'm still on that. That's a swing trade. Okay. So that was WWR. So a bunch of people were asking me about that. All right. So I want to talk to you guys about something important now. All right, now that we're done with the trade recaps and everything, I want to talk about something important. For those that don't know, okay, for those that are brand new to the channel, first of all, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, because I always go over trade ideas, trade recaps. I'm always sharing with you guys golden nuggets of information and education on these lives. For those that don't know, my name is Michael Edward. I'm the head trader for True Trading Group. I began my trading career working at a fund. They taught me everything it is that I know, that I implement in my trading today. I didn't figure any of this stuff out on my own. I was taught by professional traders on Wall Street on how to actually implement these strategies. Okay. So for those that don't know, subscribe to the channel, or if you're new, I should say subscribe and turn on your notifications, because I always go over golden nuggets of lessons and information and everything like that, just like we did with POLA and GameStop. I cover that stuff on a daily basis. But for those that don't know, we've been very, very fortunate at TTG in the sense that ever since we started, we've grown slowly and organically, but by word of mouth. Okay, we have not spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing. You don't see our ads all over the place. We have grown organically through word of mouth. These live streams and the interest that we get on them allows us, we have some ads, okay, but you guys, we don't spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on ads all over the place, right? But nothing like you guys would normally see, right? And nothing like all the annoying things that are always in your face. So these live streams that I do and the interest that we get on them allow us to pass down the savings from money that I would normally have to spend on marketing, and we give it back to our members. Okay, something that we absolutely love to do and will always continue to do. Since October of 2020, we have given away approximately $350,000 worth of cash, laptops, Kindles to our TTG members, and could not be happier about doing so. And we are going to continue to do it. Okay. Every 300 full year members that we get in True Trading Group, we give away a Tesla or $30,000 in cash. And every single 150 lifetime members that we get in TTG, we give away a Porsche or $50,000 in cash. Guys, between December 1st and January and the first week of January, we gave away $110,000 in cash live on YouTube. And this Sunday, January 24th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern on this YouTube channel, we are doing it again. This is for full TTG annual members only. You do not need to be on the stream to win. You don't need to enter anywhere. All you need to do is be a full TTG member with an active, non-canceled account. However, we really want to have the winner be on the stream with us when they win, and it will be great for you guys to be on the stream during this raffle and this giveaway. We toyed with the idea of only making it for people who are on the stream, but for now, we're not doing that as long as my TTG fam continues to show up on the lives. Okay. Also, Adam, co-founder of TTG and the yin to my yang, has been on my nerves about this all day. Okay, so I'm going to make this evening a bit harder because I said earlier that you have to be a member of TTG by 5 p.m. Eastern today in order to be included in the giveaway. Adam has to sift through the new signups and make sure of the time cutoff, but I'm giving everyone until midnight tonight. I'm sorry, Adam. Be nicer next time. Look at his face. Look at his face.
Hey, on the fuck. You just make me look like an idiot. That's cool. It's not funny. You're stupid.
Come on, it's funny. It's funny. You're welcome, everyone. As soon as I'm done with this live stream, my phone's going to ring and it's going to be like, what the hell, man? So, guys, listen. I'm giving you until midnight tonight. Anyone that signs up tonight will be included in that raffle. Again, I'm going to be raffling off a brand new Tesla or $30,000 to a one lucky full-time TTG member. Okay, if you are already a member, you guys don't have to do anything. Okay, you don't do anything. You're automatically included. Your name is automatically included in the raffle. Okay, your name's automatically included in the raffle. All right. Okay, guys. Again, that's this Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys are here. Okay, make sure you guys are here. All right. Now, what I want to do now, guys, is I want to see who here is actually not a member of True Trading Group. Okay. I want to know who's not a member of True Trading Group, or if you guys are brand new to trading, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. All right. We got Paul, Norman, Jago Chen, Jackie, Chris, Ron Hayes, AV May, Mont Pop, Trader for Life, Chris Peoples, RV Thomas, Innovation Online, Emmanuel May, Dean, Emma, Lamar, Tall Cool, Prativa, Simon, Srinath, Mark Peterson, Sonia, yes, Sonia. Well, every single full TTG member is automatically included in the raffle. Okay, every full TTG member is automatically included in the raffle. Andrea, Mondafro, Mustafa, Suresh. Good, guys. Beautiful. Awesome. Those of you that all typed the number 1 in chat, I want to know what your goals are. I want to know what your goals are with wanting to, why are you guys trying to become a consistently profitable trader? What's the reason? What is it that motivates you? What would becoming a consistently profitable trader mean to you? I want to know. Go ahead, guys. Comment in chat. My wife wants $50,000 worth of home renovations. Well, that's a good reason. Jackie, for retirement, freedom from my boss, create generational wealth for Lamar, be my own boss, retirement, set something up nice for my kids without them knowing. That's nice. I want to replace my career. Whoa, trader for life. Whoa, Trader for Life. Guys, hold on. Big congrats to Trader for Life. Says, Mike, I just quit my job. Hold on. I just quit my job trading full time now. Thanks again. Wow, Trader for Life. Congratulations. Something that so many people strive to achieve. Congratulations, man. I'm excited for you. I'm really, really excited for you. I'm very, very excited for you. That's awesome. That's awesome. Feel free to message me in chat, man. Feel free to message me whenever you have any questions. All right. Feel free to message me. Let's see. As I continue through, let's see. All right. Sarah wants to leave my day job. All right. So I see a lot of the financial freedom. Way to go, Neil. Nice job. $2,000 today. Great job. Ready to retire from the fire service and enjoy my life. Good, guys. Good. All right. So you guys are all typing away some really good goals. And it's important for you guys to have goals, motivational goals, something that's going to motivate you to, something that'll motivate you guys to put in the work and the time and energy to actually get good at this. Right. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not something you're just going to sign up to True Trading Group and you're just going to become a millionaire. Okay. That's not realistic. That's not what trading is about. Okay. That's not what trading is about. But if you guys are willing to actually get yourself a professional education, I can guarantee you that myself and the rest of the TG fam will be there right by your side to help guide you through the process. That is one thing about True Trading Group. We are a family and we truly help one another. We're all in this game together. You know, we all genuinely care if one another succeeds or fails. My TTG fam, sound off in chat, TTG for life. I love you guys. So there's all really good goals to have. Okay. They're all really good goals to have. And it's important to have motivational goals to kind of, get yourself up every day and go through the process, but set realistic goals, and attainable goals. It's important for you to actually reach. It's important for you to reach and achieve your goals. So you don't want your goal to just be, I want to become rich. Like you want to set very detailed goals as well. It's good to have the long-term goal. Like, hey, I want to quit my job. I want to buy a house. I want to pay off my student loans, whatever. Long-term goals. Those are your motivational goals, right? Then your physical goals would be like, I want to make $100 in a day. Cool. Achieve it, cross it off. New goal. I want to make $200 in a day. Cool. Achieve it, cross it off. I want to make $500 in a day. It's important that you go through your trading career and you achieve goals. If you've never had 5 green days in a week, have that be one of your goals. Like these are all goals that you can write down. Like I only want to have 5 red days in a month, achieve it, cross it off. Then you only want to have 4 red days in a month, achieve it, cross it off. 3, then eventually get to a point where you can go maybe even a whole month without a red day, something like that. Okay. You want to make sure that you can achieve those goals because it builds confidence, and building confidence and sense of achievement is very, very important early in your trading career. Okay. Early in your trading career. Very important. Okay, guys, who is not a TTG member? Again, if you're not a TTG member, type TTG in chat right now. If you are not a TTG member. Way to go, Jason. First $200 day. Great job. All right. Wow. Okay. Craig, Jackie, Carl, Avi, Tall Cool, Sonia, Ron, Shernath, Mont Pop, Lamar, Chris, Diane, Laura, Mark Peterson, RV Thomas. Oh, we have a ton of Canadian members. We have members from all over the world, guys. Oh, nice, Joe. Joe, thank you for those kind words. Joe Sotomayor says, I've been a member for 1 month and I have to agree. Not just the traders are amazing. All members just seem to genuinely supportive of each other. Great life decision I made by joining. Joe, it's a pleasure having you part of the group, Joe. Thank you for those kind words. Zachary says, I just signed up. My friend has been with TTG for a while and it's been invaluable to him. Glad to officially now be part of the fam myself. Zachary, welcome to the family. You owe your friend a steak dinner. You owe your friend a steak dinner. All right. So we have a lot of non-TTG members that are here. Yeah, guys, we have members from all over the world. We have members in Japan, the Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Italy, Canada, Netherlands. We've got members, the UK. We have members from all over the world. We have members literally from all over the world. Okay. So hold on, guys. So listen up, guys. For those of you that just typed TTG in chat, okay, for those of you that are not members, I need you guys to listen up real quick. I need you guys to pay very close attention because I'm going to explain to you guys, okay, what it really means to be part of the TTG community and the TTG family. There's a couple of people that I saw asking questions about how do I join. Before I even tell you guys how to join, let me explain to you what makes TTG different from anything else that you guys have probably ever experienced before. We're not just a chat room and an alert service. Okay. We're not just a chat room and an alert service. Okay. TTG takes the top premium trading tools and products and we bundle them together as part of your TTG membership. A 1-year membership normally would cost you $2,212 for the year. But right now on this live stream, we are offering you guys a 40% discount. That brings the price all the way down to just $1,315 when you use coupon code TTG121 at checkout. Now, if you guys will be saying, maybe, that might sound like a lot. It's not. And let me explain to you why. Because like I said, TTG is a platform. It's not just, okay, I'm going to sign up. They're going to tell me what to buy. It is a platform that has products, tools, and resources that you can use as a trader. Included in your membership is a real-time Benzinga Pro news feed that gives you live breaking to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. Okay. So people ask me all the time, like, where do I get my news from? Directly inside of our chat, we have a live Benzinga Pro news feed. You also have a Squawk Box feature that will allow you to turn your speakers on and listen to the news headlines as they come across the wire instead of reading them. You're also going to get real-time level 1, full book level 2, real-time options data, okay, included with your membership, with also a trade simulator that allows you to trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data. This is important for anyone that is new to trading. If you are new to trading, please use the simulator before you start trading with real money. Practice implementing what you learn in the courses on the simulator first. Prove to yourself that you guys can make money on the simulator before you start trading with your hard-earned cash. This is a major mistake that most beginner traders make. Please do not make that same mistake. Okay? You will also have access to Trade Ideas real-time preset scanner that is streamed directly to our members. There's your Trade Idea scanner. It shows you stocks that are breaking through the high of the day, stocks that have unusual volume activity, what are your leading gainers on the day. All of that is streamed directly to our members in chat at no additional fee whatsoever. Okay? Excuse me, guys, my throat. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Also included with your membership is a TradingView Pro charting software that's got real-time streaming data. Again, all of this is included, guys. There is no additional fee for any of this. All this stuff is included with your membership when you sign up with coupon code TTG121. All right. You will also get at least minimum 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts from a community of pro traders that's got a win rate, I think right now, around 84%. Okay? That means that right now, either myself or one of the other moderators in chat calls out a trade alert. 84% of the time, it is a profitable one. This is an all-inclusive membership. Okay? This is an all-inclusive membership, which means everything, you pay one price, you get access to everything. Okay. That includes all of our courses. You will get access to a 15-course curriculum that is a simplified version of the education that I received when I worked at the fund. My very first job out of college, okay, was working for a fund in New York City. They did not let me touch a dollar of their money until I went through their educational training program. I have simplified that material and experience, and I've created a TTG curriculum. My TTG family members that are on this live rate the courses from a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being a complete waste of time, 10 being I don't know what I would do without them. My TTG family members rate the courses from a scale of 1 to 10 right now in chat, so our viewers have an idea of the quality of the education that they are going to be receiving. This is not something that I figured out in my mother's basement. This is not a gimmick. This is hardcore professional education that professional traders on Wall Street use. In addition to the courses, you're going to get access to over 90 hours of recorded workshops and webinars and live events that myself and the other moderators have done covering various trading topics. Okay. That's in addition to the courses. You can see here's some of them. How to grow a $500 account to $25,000. How to successfully trade with a full-time job. How to resist FOMO and to get confidence pulling the trigger. How to get started trading options for beginners 101. Right? These are just some of the examples of workshops that myself and the other moderators have conducted. Okay. Have conducted over the last several months, and they're all compiled for you over the last several years, really, and are all compiled for you in a video library. Also, speaking of full-time jobs, how many of you have a full-time job in here and are killing it? My TG family members, if you have a full-time job and you're killing it, type the letter I in chat right now. If you guys have a full-time job and you guys are killing it with TTG, type the letter I in chat right now. For those of you that are viewing this live, that are wondering, I work a full-time job, I don't know if this is for me. Pay attention to how many letter I's come flying across the chat right now. These are all TTG members that work full-time jobs and are still benefiting and profiting from their TTG membership. Why? We have Casey Larry, are you kidding me? Congratulations, guys. Give a big shout out. Congratulations to Casey Larry. Just gave notice today to their job, making the transition to trade full-time. Casey Larry, congratulations. Andrea Weber says, is this just for day trading? No. Okay. This is not just hey, everybody, watch Mike Edward trade. Okay. TTG is a group of professional traders. It is not just me. Okay. We have myself, Jason Spatafora, who we call the Wolf. We've got Momin. We've got Jay Downing. We've got Chris Toner. All right. We have Jason Simmons. We are all the moderators in True Trading Group. We all have different trading styles. We trade everything in TTG. We trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, ETFs. We trade options. We day trade. We swing trade. We do it all in True Trading Group. Okay. This is not just a day trading service. We do day trading. We do swing trading. We do all of it. Okay. But for those of you that have full-time jobs, they're able to take advantage of this, guys, because we have a mobile app. Okay. That mobile app allows you to stay connected to the chat room, even if you are not in front of your computer. So on your mobile device, you'll be able to see the chat room, see the screen share, okay? Because that screen share, you see all of our moderators share their screen with you throughout the day, so you see exactly what they see. And we are all live on the microphone calling out our trades to you live in real time. Then you also get a push notification whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. Okay? So that's how you guys are able to take advantage when you guys are working a full-time job, because you're going to get real-time push notifications sent directly to through the mobile app. Okay? So, and you have access to us in chat. You guys could actually send us DMs. You can send us a private message. You can ask us questions throughout the day. You guys just have access in general. Okay? So, guys, normally a membership to TTG would cost you $2,212 for the year. But again, however, with this coupon code TTG121, okay, until midnight, you will be able to get a 40% discount that knocks the price of a membership all the way down to $1,315. All right. And anyone that signs up here by midnight is also going to get included a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. Totally for free. My gift to you. We're even going to cover the shipping. Okay. It's the perfect tool for you guys to stay connected on the go. Like I said, use that mobile app so you guys can, trade while you're on the go. If you're at work, you're on a conference call, you're on the golf course, you're stuck in traffic, you're at your kid's soccer game, whatever it is, you guys can take advantage of that mobile app and you guys could follow along with what it is that we're trading. So that's why I give away that free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. You guys want to make sure you take advantage of this coupon code before the price goes up, because every few days or every 24-hour period in the month of January, the price is going up by a couple of bucks as we slowly work our way up to $2,000. Okay, so that take advantage of the $1,315 price point right now before the price goes up. I'm telling you now, every 24-hour period in the month of January, that price goes up a couple of bucks. And it will continue to go up for the rest of the month. So if you guys wait a week, the price will be significantly higher than where it is right now today. So use that coupon code right now and make sure you get that free Amazon Kindle. After signing up, at the bottom right of your screen, you'll notice a chat support icon. Click on that. Enter your name, and that is how you guys will be able to claim your free Amazon Kindle Fire. Okay? Now, I know that sounds cool. Like, wow, you're giving me a free Amazon Kindle. Wow, I have a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000. Guys, but let me explain to you what the real, let's talk about value. My TTD fam, do you guys think a membership is worth $1,300? My TTD fam, do you guys think it's worth $1,300? Sound off in chat, guys, if you think that your membership is worth $1,300. All right. So anyone that's on the fence, listen to your peers. Listen to your peers. See the comments that people are typing away in chat. All right. But now get this. Remember that Benzinga Pro news feeds I told you about? Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for that service. A stock simulator is $750 for the year. Real-time level 1 with full book level 2 is $990 for the year. And TradingView Pro, their charting software, is $720 for the year. That's $3,648 in resources and services that are included with your membership. You can get a membership for just $1,315. Get all of those products and services that would otherwise cost you $3,600. They're all included with your membership. They're all included with your membership. Okay. You'll see here, guys, 5-star rated on Trustpilot with 763 reviews. I would suggest going on Trustpilot and reading some of those reviews. Okay. But here's what I'm willing to do. Anyone that is on the fence, I'm going to make a deal with you right now, because I'm going to prove to you how much I believe in the TTG education. And if you're willing to put in just a little bit of work, I'm going to show you how much I believe this can and will work for you. If you're on the fence right now, listen up. That's insane. Way to go, Jacob. Made $18K this week. Barb, money well spent. listen, guys, anyone that's on the fence, pay attention. I'm going to make you a deal. If you sign up with coupon code TTG121, if you go through all of our courses, if you pass all of our quizzes, and you attend one of our private study mentor group sessions, if you do those 3 things and you still do not make back the $1,315 at least once throughout your membership, I will give you a complete money back refund. Everything. Going to give it all back to you. Okay? And you know what? I'll give you guys until Sunday night. I'll give you until Sunday night. So here's the deal. TTG121. Use that coupon code by Sunday night to get the 40% discount for the $1,315 price point. I'll keep it that price till Sunday at midnight. Okay? And I'll also give you the money back guarantee if you sign up by Sunday at midnight. So again, go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a private study group session. If you do those 3 things and you still do not make back the $1,315 at least once throughout the year of your membership, I'll give you all of your money back. That's how much I believe this can and will work for you. I know it and believe it because this is the education that made me the trader that I am today. This is the education I pass on to my members, and I see the success that my members are having. If my members weren't having success, they, first of all, would not all be on this live stream right now every time I ask them to sound off in chat. But if they weren't successful, I certainly would not be able to offer you this money back guarantee. Now, would I? I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I believe in it. Okay. So I will extend that sale price and I will extend the money back guarantee till Sunday at midnight. What I will not do is extend the giveaway. If you want to be included in the Tesla or $30,000 raffle, you've got to be a full-time member by midnight tonight. If you sign up, if your transaction goes through at 12:01 a.m. Saturday, you will not be included in the Tesla $30,000 raffle. You'll have to wait till the next one. Okay? You'll have to wait till the next one. So if you guys want to be part of that raffle, make sure you sign up by midnight, get that free Amazon Kindle as well, get that money back guarantee, and lock in that $1,315 price point. Anyone else, guys, that if you're still a little, this sounds great, but I'm a little unsure, we do have a 7-day trial that's available as well. Okay, that'll give you 7-day access to our member dashboard to see the resources and tools that are available to you as a full-time member. You'll also be able to get access to 3 sample trial courses. These are different from the courses you'll get access to in the full curriculum. But I'd say these courses are probably easily worth a few $100, and they're included in your trial for just $3. Okay, you can join our TGD3 trial program. It's a one-time payment of $3. That's it. It's less than a cup of coffee. You spend $3 on way dumber stuff. Trust me, it'll be the best $3 you've ever spent. You're going to get 7-day access to our dashboard. You're going to get those 3 sample courses. You're going to get 3 days of access in our live trading chat room to trade with myself and the rest of the TGD family live. Okay, in our chat room. You're going to be able to see all of our trade history because we keep a trading journal on our website for people to see. We're fully transparent with our trading history, all our wins, all our losses, all our break evens. Everything is right there for you on the website to take a look at. And you'll also be able to use our due diligence tool, which includes free analyst ratings. Okay, so that's for anyone that is interested in our 7-day trial. You can go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time payment. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. If you guys want, you can upgrade to a full membership at any time during the trial, but you're under no obligation to do so whatsoever. Okay? You're under no obligation to do so whatsoever. Okay? Otherwise, guys, important thing to note though. If you sign up for the trial, I can't guarantee you that $13.15 price point. You're not going to get the Amazon Kindle, and you will not be included in the Tesla raffle and $30,000 giveaway. Okay? So if you want to lock in that $1,315 price point, which is that 40% discount, if you want to lock that in, you want to give yourself a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. live on this YouTube channel, if you want to get that free Amazon Kindle and you want to get that money back guarantee, use coupon code TTG121, okay, and make sure that you guys lock in that price point, okay? The price is going up. Sunday at midnight, the price will go up. Monday, the price will be significantly higher than where it is right now, and we're going to continue to work our way up towards 2,000. All right, guys. I see there's people asking about the lifetime membership. I don't have a number for you guys right now. This membership has really blown up. It's kind of become like a badge of honor for the TGD family. We originally did not have a lifetime membership, but it was requested by members, so we created one. I keep the lifetime memberships very, very limited. And we've actually recently changed the structure and pricing of the lifetime membership. I don't have an exact number for you for how many spots that we currently have open for the lifetime membership. We just filled a couple of spots earlier in the week. So I don't have an exact number that we have left, but the spots are limited. Adam and I will probably do a workshop on Tuesday. We've been doing them on Tuesday. Like we've been doing like these lifetime workshops on Tuesday for people that are interested in the lifetime membership. We've done them, I think, the last like 2 or 3 Tuesdays now. I got to check with him though, because I don't have the exact number of how many spots we have available for the lifetime membership still for this quarter. Maybe we'll do another workshop. It depends on how many spots are available. If we have enough, I got to talk to Adam. I got to talk to Adam and see how many spots we have left. All right. I got to talk to Adam and see how many spots we have left. But it's limited. It's limited. I'm not trying to, yes, I do know Scott Redler. Senator McCart. I'm not going to say your name. I'm not going to say your name on. Some people may get mad at your name, but it's a hilarious name. It's a hilarious name. So yeah, guys, I'll let you guys know about the lifetime membership. Okay, I'll let you guys know about the lifetime membership. All right. So that's it, guys. Okay, so like I said, sound off. My TGD fam, have a great weekend. Okay, have a great weekend. I will see you guys in chat. No, not even in chat. I'll see you guys Sunday. Again, Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Set your reminders. I'm giving away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla right here live on this YouTube channel this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys are here. If you want to be included in that raffle, sign up with coupon code TTG121 before midnight tonight. Okay, before midnight tonight. Otherwise, you guys will just be included in the next raffle. All right. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, smash that like button. I'll see you guys all Sunday when it's time to give away a Tesla. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Later, guys.